Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the new EGW Writings software for the Mac. Now, we have built this software specifically to run on an iMac computer or on your MacBook, and it enables you to be able to read and browse and search the writings of Ellen G. White. Now, many of you, as you've written into us, have had difficulty knowing how to use search. And so what we have done in this software is we have created some search help. Now, in the search help file, when you click in the little tiny search box, you'll notice at the end of the search box there's a little tiny question mark. And if you click on that question mark, it will open up a box with a listing of all the different search syntaxes. And even we have built it so that if you click on a word to go through, learn how to go to a word or go directly to a book, go directly to a book and a page, or search for a phrase, or search for words within a book, or search for a proximity search, or easy matching words. All those different things on search are all listed there in the search help files. And that's where you find it. Right at the end of the little tiny text entry box for search, there's a little question mark. And when you click on it, you open it up and it will help you find what you're looking for. So let me demonstrate that to you right now. Now, what I want to point out first is in the top right-hand corner, you see this little tiny question mark at the end. And that little question mark at the end, it has a little tooltip that says search help. And if I click on that, you'll notice that it gives me the examples of all the different styles of search syntax that I can use within the EGW Writings app for Mac OS. If I want to go directly to a book page, and we demonstrated how to open up a book a minute ago, I just typed in the word education. But maybe I want to go to education page 57. Now, I can do that in one of two ways. As you can see listed there, I can either type the title, education, and then the page number with a space in between, 57, or I can type the book code, education's page 57. If I want to put the paragraph in, I put a dot and then the paragraph number. But if I click on this in the example here, it will actually put it up in the search term up there for me. So it actually took me to education page 57. And the same thing this time I'll use the book code. So say I want to go to Desire of Ages, page 354. I can just type DA space 354 and it will take me here. You can see at the end of the reference code that's placed at the end of every paragraph. And I'll quickly show you where that is. Up here, if I want to turn that off, up in the little toolbar, see the AA 10.1, I turn that off. It will turn off the little tiny reference code there. And if I click it again, it will turn it on. All right, so that's how I can navigate using directly to a page by putting in either the book code or book title and then the page number. If I want to go to the paragraph, then I do a dot and I put in the paragraph number and it will load up the paragraph number for me directly. See, Desire of Ages, page 354, paragraph 2. So as you can see, I've just gone through and demonstrated how to use the search help file that we have created within the EGW Writings for Mac OS. I hope that has been a benefit for you as you use the software to find the books and the page and the quotes that you've been looking for within the app. We've built the search to be very useful, very simple to use, and it's very multifaceted. And if you use the search help and the methods that I've just taught you how to use, you should be able to find exactly what you're looking for without any trouble. I'm Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today. May you always remain with God, and He will bless you day to day in your daily life. Bye for now.